don't know how strong it's gonna get because I really think that it might get so strong that we can't even ride.
Hop, hop. If it's fucking strong, I'll start going for the record. I really want to get it today, but let's see.
How to get in the mood, Giel?
I feel the tenseness here, I feel the pressure. If the gust is not there, you're not going to break a record. You need the perfect kicker, the perfect timing, perfect speed, and the perfect gust.
Also, for the record, you just gotta be out there for 2 hours and keep trying till you get the gust.
Yeah.
What size is your boys taking today, or aiming for, and what do you expect the wind to be?
I want to go on an XR Pro. So the smallest one I have is a 7. So if it's really going to be that strong, I'll be in a 7 XR Pro.
Yeah.
And if it's going to be somehow doable, I'll take an 8 XR Pro.
Yeah, I hope I'll be stacked on my 7, that you cannot ride your 8. But if there's a slight chance of me being able to ride an 8, I'll be riding an 8.
Surfr is going to be tracking all the data today. What is your highest score to date, and are you gonna smash it?
I think we'll definitely smash ours. I don't know what yours is, Cohan.
What is yours? 27?
28.7.
25.8, I think.
Yeah, but Cohan's gone higher than 25.8. He's just not been tracking his sessions long enough.
No.
So today we're gonna smash some records.
Yeah.
Hey, there's a crew.
Hello, hello.
Hey, are you ready to eat some sand?
What are we thinking, Giel?
It's gonna be fucking good. We're gonna have a session in and warm up a little bit. We're gonna do some doubles and then later today we jump the record. Let's go! It's funny that people are saying, wait until it gets windy.
Is it windy already?
It's windy.
You say first.
I had 27.6.
2 powers?
Yeah, on the 8.
Didn't you eat enough?
What did you get?
I had 29.7.
I'm gonna break that now. Lekker man! Lekker man!
Hop, hop!
on, come on, come on, come on. Fire! There we go.
What? We're eating sand. That's
Wow.
great.
Wow. Fucking massive, man. Well done.
Nice one, man. Gedaan, jongen. You're the winner of today. He didn't even compete, but he was the winner of today. That was epic. Who became second? You, Giel?
30.3.
30.4.
What was yours, Kevin?
Yeah. No. I had 29.7.
Jeez.
But I motivated Cohan because I told him, because he had 27, and I'm like, oh, I have 29.7, and then he jumped and he had 29.8.
0-1 difference.
That's good. That's good. And then he went even higher, so that's good.
Epic. Jett on the short lines, like getting it so low, he murdered it.
Some massive ones on the short.
You went so big on short lines as well.
28 meters.
28.
Yeah, one felt bigger, but maybe because I was scared.
Aren't we all sometimes, right?
Exactly.
Nice,
Fear
nice.
keeps you alive.